Knowing exactly how much money you've made this year is great, but numbers don't mean much without context. To truly know if your business is growing, you have to stack up today's numbers against where you were at this exact time last year. This is called a year-over-year comparison, and it is the absolute best way to measure your growth. Today, I'm going to show you how to pull a comparative income report so you can see exactly how far your business has come. Let's dive in. We'll start by pulling up your main income statement. Head over to your left-hand menu and click on Reports. From the Reporting dashboard, click into the Standard Reports tab. Right inside that section, find and click on your Profit and Loss Report. Before we compare anything, we need to establish our baseline. Go up to the Report Period drop-down in the top left corner. Set this to this year-to-date. This gives us the complete picture of how the business has performed from January 1st up to today. Now for the secret sauce. Right next to your date settings, look for the drop-down menu labeled Compare Another Period. Click that, and you will see a few different comparison options. Check the box for Previous Year, PY. To make the data actually useful, don't just stop there. Right under that checkbox, make sure to also select dollar change and percent change. Instantly, your report transforms. Next to your current sales, you now have a dedicated column showing exactly what you made last year, followed by the exact dollar difference and percentage growth. This setup lets you scan straight down your income lines to see if your sales are actually accelerating, or if your expenses are creeping up faster than your revenue. Running this report monthly is the ultimate cheat code for keeping your business on track. If this tutorial helped you unlock your growth metrics today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.